Hi, friends. Welcome to Daily Slow English. Today's story is called Liam Visiting the Doctor's Office. In this story, you will hear the typical steps of seeing a doctor in Canada. Together, we will practice daily English and explore everyday life in North America. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Hi, my name is Liam. I'm an office worker. This morning I woke up with a sore throat. It was painful to swallow and I felt weak. I looked in the mirror and sighed. I said to myself, I don't think I can go to work today. I suddenly panicked about my tasks. Weekly plan, report, and emails flashed in my mind. Then I remembered I had finished them all yesterday. I felt a little more relaxed. I picked up my phone and called my boss.
Hello, this is Mr. Carter speaking.
Hi, Mr. Carter, this is Liam. I'm not feeling well today.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What's going on?
My throat is sore. May I take a sick day?
Of course, Liam, don't worry about work. Please rest and get better soon.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. As I hung up the phone, I felt a little more at peace. My throat still burned, and I knew resting at home wasn't enough. I needed to see a doctor. I picked up my phone again and dialed my family doctor's office. The receptionist answered after a few seconds.
Good morning. This is Dr. Smith's office. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to book an appointment with the doctor.
Of course. What's the reason for your visit?
I have a sore throat.
Okay, I understand. May I have your full name, please?
My name is Liam Allen. That's Liam Allen.
And your date of birth?
June 5th, 1988.
Thank you. We have an opening at 11 a.m. today. Does that work for you?
Yes, that's perfect.
Great. Please bring your health card. See you later.
Thank you so much. At 10:45, I arrived at the doctor's office. At the reception desk, a young woman looked up and smiled politely.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Good morning. I have an appointment at 11.
Your name, please?
My name is Liam.
Thank you. May I see your health card?
Yes, here it is.
Perfect. Please have a seat in the waiting room.
Thank you very much. I sat down in the waiting room, looking around at other patients who also looked tired. After about 10 minutes, the nurse called my name.
Liam, please come in.
I stood up, grabbed my jacket, and followed her into a small examination room. Inside the examination room, I sat quietly on the bed. Soon, the door opened, and Dr. Smith walked in, smiling warmly.
Hello, what brings you in today?
My throat is very sore. It started this morning. Dr. Smith listened carefully, then put on gloves.
Let's have a look.
He checked my blood pressure and temperature. He examined my throat with a small light and pressed gently on my neck.
Your temperature is 100 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a mild fever. Does it hurt here?
Yes, it's sore.
All right. You have a throat infection. I'll prescribe you some antibiotics.
Can I get a doctor's note for work?
Sure. I'll write one for you.
Thank you, Dr. Smith.
You're welcome. Take care and get some rest.
I nodded, feeling both worried and relieved. At least I knew what was wrong and there was a plan. After the checkup, I went to the pharmacy.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I have a prescription from my doctor.
May I see it, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Please wait a few minutes.
A few minutes later, she gave me a small bag with the medicine.
Here is your medicine. Do you have insurance?
Yes, here is my card. How should I take it?
1 pill twice a day with food. Drink water and finish all the pills.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Back at home, I took the first pill and lay down on my bed. I slept for hours, letting my body heal. The next morning, I checked my email. One of my colleagues had written,
Hope you feel better soon, Liam. Don't worry about work. We've got it covered.
The message made me smile and feel supported. I already felt a little better that day. For days, I followed the same routine. Medicine, tea, sleep, and more rest. Slowly, my throat began to heal. By the 4th day, the pain was gone. I felt strong and healthy again. On Monday morning, I put on my work clothes. I looked in the mirror and smiled. I said to myself, it's time to go back to the office.
This was today's slow English story. Visiting the doctor's office. I hope you learned some useful English and also more about daily life in Canada. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.